Now, and the Deputy Attorney General, Shrimsai, Eposti BB, Anopano, and Obianim say Osono Mame, Madam Torkornoo, Ekopie Court, ECOWAS Court, to say, Ninsame Bebaya, Yenebe who say, on Kano Kre, na Chief Justice Nana Odino, na Sebio, Nyoma Bibrioya, na Utia Emra, Itigana Mra, and in the DA. In fact, Ghana Mbrano, and the Hope Face say, so Chief Justice, Nyama Buho, this away. Now, Shrimsai anope a oposti saa die we no nipa bebrebu say eh na de na ekoso ewo Madam Torkornoo Osono Mame case no so na sisia no de na ekọ now say uche de Shrimsai posti o say the ECOWAS community court has a while ago dismissed all of the 7 claims which the former Chief Justice, her ladyship Justice Gertrude Torkornoo aka Osono Mame brought against our beloved republic. Or see, ECOWAS community court war Nigeria was a no atenase. Na Mame a friend Osono Mame Torkornoo na oye Chief Justice of Ghana or the assembly command court no or the command court no say sebio or di assem no etiaye na or the Ghana court international side enso ebo amane say ende in some poly and son in some poly and so Mame no ediko di ECOWAS court no ende court no atenase na sa asem nyina or the court ediko tia Ghana sa Ghana yamra na yembeyi ye ya no. Now, in respect of her ladyship's claim for $10 million or $10 million damages, the court held that in light of the court's conclusion that Ghana has not violated any of the applicant's rights under the African Charter as alleged, the court makes no decision on reparation. End of quote. Thanks again to our team of illustrious state attorneys who put in hours and hours of research to support the Republic's defense. Into the Deputy Attorney General and the Obetro Bibi Ewo the Facebook actually say, Madam Torkornoo or the Ghana ECOWAS court to say, Sebio in Sembeye poly in song Ninyina say or say Ghana Sebio the fan with the right ya tietia so ye gun hufin Sebio ya shena se etwana se ama sebio ye gun hufin asay ne to no or the kojina court say court entie sansem so no na onfa enye den emua entia Ghana na nensam so no the territory no na o say court ECOWAS court no enje Ghana for in some $10 million. Na ebia wo $10 million da $10 million o de Ghana schema et say articulate anko 50 ayako hwe sika de gu menhia anko ho a yese otumfo nkoda hotel every say dem no so ebe ko ho sa na $10 million so o say 50 Ghana 50 10 Ghana etie na ma amene say yentam sa sika ni nyina fama no every say o say ye ne Ghana ye bu de nimtia ne fa wudie sebio de ne kebi mamin kebi ne fapem o de bon ho ban no o se ye ne Ghana ekuro no ye nyina ya ka bom etietia de fa hodie so atenase atwa ne to atsanase ma ne nim aguase na nde kopie court ne say Osono Mame Madam Torkornoo asema o de abesi ECOWAS court for nsaso no omo se omo hwehwe nsem doso mu etotototo Mame na no ensem num edi adanse nyina ende ni nyina nkosie no say Madam Torkornoo ensem o ka no sebi onyansanim na onfa no tufi nko eno na ECOWAS court no ende omo ye den omo eka ye nti asem ni nyina ba ewiye na ni nyina kire say Madam Torkornoo asem o de kodan ECOWAS court na o kan sem ato Ghana so say yanji Ghana for sika $10 million man no court say oboa onfa no tufi enko na ade bia esi wo Ghana no court na e friend ECOWAS court ne say omugitum now mama ka bibi nchiro na Madam Torkornoo Chief Justice Ghana mra enini diye sebio constitution ebe find ne say nyoma bi oyeye no sebio na entwa kwam na emfa kwam obu mra bebre so as a Chief Justice no constitution no ye bie mu no de kan ya ye didi no na Madam Torkornoo ne MPP for especially afejo makina one maami we bokosua tafri bo ma nadwo no sebio na omonam Ghana ka kire Ghana say Ghana Supreme Court ne Osono Mame Torkornoo endini ye ni nyina ne say na omo say senior asem ne kan wo ye Ghana Supreme Court no omo de no mo hu ni say Ghana Supreme Court no omo bu asem ne tia maame no na enye enwura kwan so na eya asem na omo bu ntanchia sebio omo bu asem no sebio abra omo anhwehwe mu ankosi enti time eye osono maame Torkornoo ka say okọ ECOWAS court no MPP led by eye afenwoma ke no de bokosua tafra na dwubia no afenwoma ke mo beka kire Ghana for say ampa e was say maame de asem ne ko ECOWAS court because ho e na be kire say asem na yedi na Supreme Court no sebio Supreme Court no omo de nyansa ne diye anase sebio omo amfa nyansa ne diye anase sebio omo ditia no e wo enida ho anase enye saa ende ECOWAS court for no tro eye omo ruling no omo ka kire Ghana for nyina say omo tie asem no agi adanse na omo pese omo ka kire Ghana for nyina ne wiase say Supreme Court of Ghana asem omo die say eye Torkornoo enyoma oye ya na sebio entwa ye krono enyoma bi ode ne hu frefre mu keta ahye ene sebio nyoma bi a na nka wo se okoti a obeye saa nyoma no e kire Ghana for no ECOWAS court ne say Supreme Court of Ghana no asem no omo di no eye krogen in fact omo ka say omo di eye asem no tena ase na dioma be hu krampo ni say eye Ghana Supreme Court ne krampo no na nka wo say omo ne sebio asotwe kese to eye Torkornoo so it is a who study and I will study who study the events sibia I unfolding na say clearly no the ECOWAS court no area firm oma Ghana fo nyina ate ase say the Supreme Court of Ghana decision a omugina constitution no eteki ye say Torkornoo entumi nya Chief Justice of Ghana na ne nyoma bi ne kire say krono de be mu keta ahye nyabon ho sem disrespect bi wo mu no omo say eye krogen na the Supreme Court of Ghana should be respected for their decision. ECOWAS court say enye NDC dia say enye MPP dia ECOWAS court say enye me no dia ECOWAS court eye ECOWAS court send the ECOWAS court akache Ghana for say Torkornoo say Ghana Supreme Court ejina emra bi so editu ne to akonwa ejina ansem so ejina constitution so almost study constitution no omaje Torkornoo anu asem omaje Ghana for say so anu asem through the attorney general no omo hu ni clearly say in the first place no the Supreme Court of Ghana judgment on the by no na ye krogen maami we na oye daadafo na maami we pese ogu Ghana Supreme Court enim asekeke na omo no omo to no enya Ghana nti na omo to eye asem no ne no kwenti na omo to nti so omo se Torkornoo enka no kore ntime no ka sei me pese be busa MPP for no say moi na mote Ghana Parliament led by Afenyo Markin any the group na mote Parliament say mo ye MPP for any sa group na mo say mo ye eye osono ma munim nyansa na the question here is who has disrespected the Supreme Court of Ghana Mikai time eye Torkornoo ka say oko ECOWAS court the disrespecter MPP for led by Afenyo Markin in Parliament almost disrespected the Supreme Court na me hu bi da at a point they made it look like say your Supreme Court in Ghana no sebio with all due respect the NPP made it look like they were a bunch of liars criminals at the Supreme Court but the Supreme Court in fact Torkornoo we have some started you know the Torkornoo went through the process Emma Obia distracted Torkornoo days are not prepared to meet the committee she was given enough days Torkornoo whatever Torkornoo asked for Torkornoo was given. The day at Torkornoo Castle or ECOWAS court, the MPP as a political party came out indirectly to disregard this, denigrate, disrespect the highest court of the land. All because na Torkornoo eye a juma for them. All because na Afenyo Markin to me Torkornoo Supreme Court in less than 5 hours. Now we need judgment. All because Torkornoo, when she was brought in, her agenda was to make sure the executive na otchere Akufo Addo to make sure Nana Addo Akufo Addo never respected the constitution, never respected parliament. We saw how Torkornoo, time and Chief Justice, Afenyo Markin led MPP disrespected the constitution of the republic, disrespected the parliament which made them humans today. And we can all take a step back and go look in some MPP for Kaye, in some Afenyo Markin Kaye, the disrespected the current Chief Justice, how they indirectly insulted the current Chief Justice, led by Afenyo Markin. They sat in parliament. They left parliament, went on radio and TV stations, maligned the current Chief Justice, Mr. Boni. They disrespected and insulted him indirectly. All because na osono maamia Torkornoo otafre afenyoma kentafre ne tono. She was being subjected to the law because na emrana na enini. So today I want to ask more MPP before na mudidi the Supreme Court of Ghana temno. You, the MPP, as a political party now, you decided to disrespect the Supreme Court and disrespect the current Chief Justice. No, I'm asking you, are you people one day going to go to the Supreme Court to seek for their wisdom, to seek for judgment on any matter, any political matter? Maybe some MPP before, are you guys going to go to the Supreme Court? So Sammy now say Mokos Ghana Supreme Court Mudidi Ghana Supreme Court atem. I'm asking you, the MPP, led by this Afenyoma Kena Kakawure Gugu Nitimu. Maybe some say, will you people ever go back to this same Supreme Court you disrespected because of an arrogant woman? Disrespected because of a woman who did not understand her job. Torkornoo basically did not understand her job. Torkornoo was basically a politician. Torkornoo did not respect anybody in Ghana. Torkornoo is a selfish brat who from day one was installed as the Chief Justice, never respected any Ghanaian in Ghana. Torkornoo made the Chief Justice position her property, disrespected senior judges. She went to meet at the Supreme Court. Torkornoo disrespected the Constitution of Ghana. She basically decided to work for the MPP as a child. Torkornoo had no power to make decisions that would protect we Ghanaians. Torkornoo was just a subject sitting there working for the NPP government. Now Torkornoo became so powerful, so arrogant, she forgot herself and started becoming corrupt. Now deciding to steal public money to basically take care of herself, traveling, spending, while she knew the law more than anybody else in Ghana. So I'm asking you, the MPP, at the point, will you go to this same Supreme Court? Will you, Afenyoma and your group, move across the same Supreme Court to go and seek for their interpretation or whatever you guys call it? Are you going to do it? Because we have seen your mother. We have seen the arrogance, the disrespect, I'm not disrespecting Ghana for. Now, let me play the ruling at the ECOWAS court and what they actually said on this Osono Maame matter. Okay, I have it here. Let's go listen to the ECOWAS court in their ruling today. Bawumia could see the Omokan war ECOWAS court and there.
While the applicant met the 5-year timeline for applying for review, but their failure to satisfy the requirements of the new facts renders the compliance invaluable, as the requirement of admissibility of an application for review are cumulative. The absence of one of them is sufficient to endanger the admissibility of the application. In the light of the foregoing, the court hereby declares that the application for revision of judgment number ECW/CCJ/JUD/44/23 delivered on the 24th of November 2023 is inadmissible. And for that reason, sitting in public, the court declares that it has jurisdiction to determine this case. However, declares the application is inadmissible and orders each party to bear the cost. The full complement of this judgment will be made available to parties upon signature by panel members.
Thank you. Yes, counsel.
Me for the applicant?
Yeah, the applicant.
You know, we want to say to the court, yes, much some, view that is matter. The intelligence issue had to be this one was the issue earlier of the court said that we simply repeated the same issue, and on that basis declared in the midst of we'll tell you post on review other option. Thank you. And we should bring our friends to the cities. We have to show the difference against our interest. So thank you, Justice.
Yes, I'm counsel for the respondent.
Just I want to say where the well-written and well-researched ruling. Believe that the ruling was backed by law, both international rules controlling the ECOWAS code. We want to say thank you so much. The ruling was well-researched. Thank you, my lord.
So basically, they see what I'm say. Torkornoo asked about the buyer. Say Ghana Supreme Court need the right to sit on her case. Our judges say no more and constitution clearly a catch and say you no more name twakwem inti constitutional e de asotweama no e no mugina so Torkornoo ko ECOWAS ko catch them say omon kan kire Ghana Supreme Court say omuni tumi so mbeye and the ECOWAS court catch Torkornoo boa the Ghana Supreme Court ye nyina no ewom omudi mmra no nyina so wo e na won kan kore ensama wo de ba no krampo dodo no wentube yia no obeka say wo fa ahudie omutietia so enso yekohwehwem no na obi entietia wo fa ahudie so wo sa betwa ntro in fact e ka krampo no e wo say e ka obo eye Ghana fo no so wutua inti court no ebema eye osono maame Torkornoo tiase say ensama obeka wo court wo edigu eye den edigu eye Ghana fo ho fin edada eye court no said you obeka ye nyina na dodo no nya no kore into omo ntumi entena asem we so enka se ono wedibem Torkornoo fa to fin ko na onka no kore na nim de ya na Godfrey Dame na ye Torkornoo lawyer eka be 2 weeks or 3 weeks ya be di asem no judgment aba no na eye Torkornoo se wapam Dame adenti na wapam Dame o se Dame ne 9 ye 34 30 39 40 o se Dame abon Dame ekogina case nim no we hu se Dame Otigana nyina na sana Dame or shopping for lawyers. Eti Torkornoo ko for Nigeria lawyer. Godfrey Dame na MPP for Soria. Omse Godfrey Dame di onimumra. Me catch them what has a Godfrey Dame. He goes out, he shops for judges in Ghana. Godfrey Dame is Ankumamo. That is what they do. And intina Godfrey Dame opie free Ghana ontimi wini case bia. Se onim judge bia ontimi wini case da out of Ghana. Eti Torkornoo na Godfrey Dame na a lawyer. The latter part of the case of Pamo Godfrey Dame say, hey, wait, Jimmy Dodo. Sa unim she. And Okofa Nigeria ni. Okofa Nigeria ni lawyer. So on fan media some last one. Now you see what they do. Now there's a new thing MPP for adopting. Because most of their lawyers are liars. They are not lawyers are omokano correct. Mama make a picture, hey. Godfrey Dame are one of those lawyers in Ghana. They shop for judges. Es Ankuma, they shop for judges. Sheshe kwampo de wowu akoy onum wi gari nim akwana akoy onum wi they all shop for judges and what the MPP they are good at and say especially Godfrey Dame time I know ya tell general no or you ready so be court no afre bloggers now afre bloggers now afre Joy News for now afre City TV for Osotoma, now I catch them say, I am coming to court today. This is what is going to happen. I know the judge might postpone the case or adjourn the case. I know I am going to win the case today. I need you to be at court at 2. Now, because he knows on a judge for no edin komwe was shopping for no one judges no onim the outcome of the case no. What they do and they say, you will see say every time I Godfrey Dame Attorney General no, when he's coming to court, it's like basically some superstar with all the media at the court. What they do, then they say, they create the impression. They first, before they enter the courtroom, no, omudinkai create a drama no abontene. Or be PSF recorder, then they create it into so show my you said there are some exclusive intelligent lawyers. No, they are not. They create this thing in the heads of people. Say Godfrey never know the whole media is with him. Godfrey no, it is out here bontina oshana unim drama na ekoso na unim shenanigans na ekoso na unim esa drama na omo ye na. You say hey this guy, because one Remember, so-called journalists now from no more Abidjan or Joy News for City for no, they already know what to ask him. He is prepared. And the same thing Esankuma Muye, and they still do it in Ghana. Do you know Esankuma? They almost appointed Esankuma to the Supreme Court. Esankuma. His law firm right now, they have downgraded him. Right now, Esankuma on your partner. Esankuma is Ananankuma, a Rino. That criminal no nam Ghana no. Na no zo Jimmy for no. Esankuma go to his law firm. He used to be a partner. He's no more a partner. Sankuma used to be a partner. Baby Oye Jumano. He's no more a partner. He's lying to most of you people. Angel and what association are associated. Sankuma is not more a partner. He is there. He used to be the associate partner or something. Ninya settings. Sankuma a typical judge shopper. Ebino no omo to say Instacart. Shopping judges amongst here. They know, and they could follow. These were people who had meetings with judges behind the scenes before cases are called. Yantia and a Jakpa case in the Baye. We saw how Godfrey Dame went to a Supreme Court judge's house, called a witness, and tried to convince the witness to lie, to put somebody in jail. That is Godfrey Dame. In Torkornoo Sadabi, Godfrey Dame is not as smart as people think. Godfrey Dame is not as intelligent. Torkornoo right now, no is a Godfrey Dame sana or a drama, a lawyer, a drama, a sentence. And the latter part of the case, or Pamo Godfrey Dame, or say, get out. You are a fake lawyer. You know nothing. You are just a political attorney general. It was you shopping for judges and making sure cases go your way. Until Godfrey Dame was sacked by Torkornoo. Now, MP before adopted strategy B. You see, most of their lawyers, they are. Most of the MPP lawyers, 90% of lawyers or more MPP, they are not smart. Now, the reality now is they have to prove themselves in court. And how do you prove yourself in court? You need to show the judges that you are an intelligent lawyer who can ask intelligent questions, who can basically break Eddie and the ice. Now, they are not that sharp. Most of the people, MPP lawyers, a ding, a sentence, a drama. Now what they are doing now, they say NPP for your case. Now na case mu age client ni sika di na beka be 1 week my case na end the because they know they are ineffective, they are not smart, they are low level, low voltage lawyers. What they will do is say then they will tell the client to say they don't want to continue because as lawyers, footballer behind him the capacity, lawyer behind him the obetmaye. So a lawyer now the client to Kojina court. If you are going to win from day one, you will know. So what they do is, because MPP for the Jimia, they don't understand, say, most of the lawyers in the MPP are not ripe enough to stand in court to make a case. Lawyers for the Diomo court Tata Musika, a couple 2 weeks now, yeah, the judgment about also mean the and you been a go for them any Torkornoo, because what they want to do is they don't want on their record to show, say, they have been to court and lost cases. Because most of them, the only thing left for them now, I'm going to say, I'm a lawyer. Now, you could boost our profile. Now, you say a show with you. You say, "Sa smart sana." So what they are doing now is they don't even want to end the case. And we been a pia kubi dia cheba untimino. And we been a Godfrey Dame ediye Torkornoo. And you are going to see lots and lots of those things in Ghana today. Ope lawyers are almost shopping for judges. Kofi Bentil, Sankuma, Godfrey Dame. They shop for law judges. Now to judge no paperwork. And they were having contracts with judges. At a point, lawyers, Attorney General Government, he had contract with some judges. Case way for mame, nabeji way. Case way, I want this judge. Not talk on the amano. Hey, after no market to me call me pay way, me pay judge way near the amano. They were basically shopping for judges. And when you go to the judicial sector, they all know that the lawyers, the senior lawyers, they all know what was going on. And right now, their strategy, they can't finish cases. Because the only thing left for them to be relevant in their own space, and they say, "Oh, I've never lost a case. Some in the case we want to make a lose a case. Oh, do you find come profile? They say no, they will be picking up cases, but they will never be finishing cases, and that is what you'll be seeing. Nancy, you see a lot of them, When people lawyer will say, oh, the client in confusion into a channel. Oh, lawyer will say, they will never complete a case because they are shoppers. MPP lawyers are shoppers. No more news idea way. Because they were shopping for judges. I'm telling you. Yeah. Go for them, they were shopping for judges. And they did a lot of drama in front of courtrooms. To me, because the people they work with are the same people I work with in the courts. The people these people work with in the courts, they are the same people I work with in the courts. So I know what they do. I know that is their work. Settings, they are lying. MPP lawyers, 99% of them are weak-minded. They don't have the intelligence to win any case in court. I'm telling you. It will play out nicely. At least we all know. Say, Torkornoo. ECOWAS court for Ghana for the Supreme Court of Ghana is assembly mudi na ema constitution yi Torkornoo eto akonwa no almost say the Supreme Court of Ghana yen respect court no edi mraso enyansafo ne wo ho. That decision was solid. So we are still waiting. Ebia now Torkornoo will go to Hague. We will all buy visa, get visa and buy ticket and come to Hague. Ebia Torkornoo want to go to Hague. Yabeba Hague wo. Ne ababe tie de ekoso Hague wo. This woman, menena, mami were a very arrogant woman. She's a very selfish woman. This woman is so bitter. She's so vindictive. This woman, when she was made the Chief Justice, she didn't respect anybody. That is her downfall. She will go down as the worst judge, Chief Justice we've ever had in Ghana. Out of arrogance, the disrespect, or barbesia, respecting yourself and respecting the people you work with. And sometimes, Mami Wenti, Ayana Ama Nipebi Srosi to me Bemama because of this woman and Jane Mensah. When we gave them power, what they did with that power. I remember when Jane Mensah, the Chief Justice for so many people are excited. The argument was that she's young. This is one that at least we can all rally around because Oyoba. She has seen it. Even though on your senior jaja, you skipping the brain, people from left all the way to the right, everybody came together to say, let us support Torkornoo. But we didn't know, say, sometimes when you give power to a woman, it's like you have given power to a devil. Mami we the baby who say, when you are weighing woman to give power to a woman, weigh the woman's heart before you hand over power to the woman. Because Oba, or you're dangerous, member 2 million. And this is a typical example of Oba or dangerous. There are women who are honest, who are basically genuine in their approach to issues, who are not bitter, who serve. It is a no pokwajiman. Power cannot change her. Power has never changed her. She has been the Nano Pokwajiman people have known from day one. She's still the same woman. She's the second most powerful person in Ghana. But sometimes, most of you see her and you're like, this woman, power can't change her because she's still the woman who people can still walk to. There's nothing about her that has changed. The mother in her is still there. The humility in her is still there. The respect she has for young and old is still there. You can see, even under pressure, as a politician, you can see she's able to conduct herself first, understanding who she is and represent before the position. But this woman, when she was given power, this woman made us understand as Ghanaians say, so to me, first weigh her heart and who she is first. Look within, because before you give woman power, I have always said, we need to get more women into politics. We need to give women the opportunity to lead. We need to also let women be powerful as men. There are women who are intelligent, smart, who need to be given the opportunity men have been given. There are so many places where women have been given the opportunity. They have proven themselves more than 1,000 men. Some places, one woman makes thousands of difference. But it should not also convince us that we should just hand over power to Oba, because some women are dangerous And a typical example of a woman who can abuse power, who can turn power against the people who handed over power to them is Torkornoo, a very diabolic, dangerous woman, very vindictive, very political, and a serious kind of woman. And we need to be careful. Torkornoo, Jane Mensah should teach us a lesson moving forward. I want women in power. I want us to give women more opportunity. In fact, I want more women to be given more opportunities. I want to see women in higher positions in Ghana, because we have seen women who are resourceful, women who are ready to serve, women who are basically humans. They have that empathy. But Oba dangerous. They be Ghana for when we are giving women power. We should not just look at their credentials. We should not look at their smile. We should not just look at whatever they say. We should basically look within them. Let's look deep. That women are supposed to be given opportunities, but we need to be careful when giving power to a woman. They are very important. When it comes to power, Torkornoo is a politician. Torkornoo has never been a judge. Torkornoo almost destroyed our judicial service. Torkornoo almost did that. Torkornoo basically gave the judiciary to Akufo Addo to shit on it. Torkornoo did not respect the constitution. Every rule biana a govern the judiciary, Torkornoo technically allowed the MPP to break it down. Torkornoo allowed Afenyomakin. She actually accepted Afenyomakin into her V to sit in there. She opened up and allowed Afenyomakin to sit in her V to do whatever he wants to do. Afenyomakin disrespected the highest office of the land. Afenyomakin, because Torkornoo allowed him to sit in her V, fool around in her V, upon all the things around, the slimy things on him, Afenyomakin disrespected us because Torkornoo allowed it. And we have to be very careful when we are giving some people the opportunity. This is a lesson to us. All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.